If you want to capture a long screenshot on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just open a scrollable page on your iPhone. For an example, I will open a website on Safari. Now let's open a website. Now after you open a scrollable page on your web browser, like a website on Safari, then just capture a normal screenshot. And you can do that by pressing the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. And once you do that, you will find this option. As you can see, it is currently on screen, but if you select full page, you will capture a scrollable screenshot on your iPhone. Now if you want to crop into the screenshot, just tap on the crop button over here and you can crop into the screenshot and you can leave the area which you want. For example, I will crop the bottom and the top part. Just like that. And once you're satisfied with your screenshot, then tap on Done. Now just tap on the three dots over here and select Done. And from here you can either create a PDF file of the long screenshot which we have captured and you can save it into the Files app, or you can save it to the Photos. And after you do that, you will find the long screenshot saved in the location which you have selected. In our case, since we have selected Photos, we will find the long screenshot in our Photos app. Just like that. Now just remember that you cannot capture a long screenshot of any scrollable page on your iPhone. For example, if you open Settings, as you can see, this is a scrollable page. But if we capture a screenshot, the option of full page will not appear over here. Currently, the long screenshot feature is only available for screenshots which you capture in web browsers like Safari and Google Chrome. And you cannot capture a long screenshot in social media apps and also in the default system apps like the Settings or the App Store. And this is how you can take a long screenshot on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.